The COVID-19 is an unprecedented crisis. However, we're here to tackle packaging challenges and support you. Using our 25 years packaging experience in remote packaging, we're here to provide revolutionary remote packaging solutions. Using CATIA, a 3D software right since 1999, and a tech-oriented product development team, we make this possible only with a CAD file or external geometry of the product. In these challenging times of social distancing, we're delivering complex packaging solutions without requiring the physical product with us, or sometimes even before they physically exist. In Europe, we're providing packaging solutions to transport field tents for COVID-19 patients. In South Africa, we are supporting the healthcare industry by developing reusable packaging for intubation booths that protects hospital staff during intubation procedures on critically ill patients. Our fibrous and steel rack packaging solutions are regularly tested. They have passed exhaustive testing by internationally accredited test institutes. Abiding by social distancing norms, our sales and product development team guide you with the development process through video conferences, and physical prototypes are sent to you, all without the need of a physical meeting. We revolutionize transport packaging with our innovative sustainable solutions. Located in 5 continents, we hold a worldwide packaging production capacity. Clip-Lok, your global packaging partner in this social distancing era.